At Landmark School, legacy is our compass, innovation is our course. And on both of our campuses, we are stepping up to ensure we're doing all we can to meet the moment and prepare our students for what comes next. School leadership and the Board of Trustees came together to set a vision for Landmark's future, with our students' legacy in mind. We are excited to announce 2 new building projects scheduled to be completed in winter of 2025.
And at the EMS campus, we want to foster community while we enable our students to have a balance of autonomy and routine.
Hey y'all!
We will be adding practical spaces that will have a transformative impact on our students' experiences. These additions include expanded capacity for the dining room, a place to perform and present, space for students to gather and socialize, and more learning spaces.
And this is just the beginning.
These additions go beyond brick and mortar. It's an investment in generations of students who will come through our doors.
Our commitment to a personalized education and community together will prepare students to navigate an ever-changing world with competence and confidence.
At the high school campus, we're adding purposeful spaces where students can build connections.
This includes a space for students to relax and decompress, a space to play and learn, an upgraded library, and a center for exploration and collaboration.
And these additions represent more than just physical structures.
They symbolize our commitment to cultivating the many strengths of our students.
At the heart of this expansion is our dedication to nurturing our students' unique talents and abilities.
Our students will find success because they learn differently, not despite it. It's time to innovate, renovate, and meet the moment! Woo!